a milestone in Montana tonight when it comes to the COVID-19 pandemic. Active cases in the state have now fallen below the 1,000 mark for the first time since way back in mid-July. Well, healthcare workers have certainly been through a lot since the pandemic hit in Billings, and now it's time to reflect. Q2's Shaquille Cozart speaks with some frontline workers on the week of the anniversary of the first positive case here in the Magic City.
Community members are asked to step outside and howl tonight, just 1 year after Billings healthcare facilities saw their first COVID-19 cases. And while tonight is a time to reflect on those who have worked tirelessly to keep the community safe, it's also a time to reflect on the challenges that healthcare workers have faced day to day since the pandemic started.
We were actually there when the first positive patient was here and came to the hospital. And it was really scary. I mean, you know, we had PPE, we had plans in place to keep everyone safe, and we had procedures set in place, but actually talking about something and then actually having to do it is a different thing.
There's been a lot of challenges, especially at the beginning when we just had to learn about it, and there's so many different things changing, and it was really tough. But I mean, that's what the ER is there for. We adapted and made it through.
Healthcare workers say that everyone has been affected in different ways by the pandemic, but today is the day that we can remember the hardships and look toward the future.
You know, those of us who have lost loved ones, boy, it'd be hard to say this is a time to celebrate. Those of us that haven't, maybe it is a time of celebration, but I think it's a time of reflection, and that we should all really take that time to reflect on what we've gone through and how we've unified and how well we've done as a community, but then also reflecting on those that have lost loved ones in our community and how we can continue to support them.
Shaquille Cozart reporting. As of tonight, there's 952 active cases in the state. The death toll in Montana due to COVID-19 remains the same at 1,403. And as Shaquille mentioned, for one night, the Billings Howl is returning to mark a year of the pandemic. Billings is honoring those affected by the pandemic with a community howl. Tonight at 8 o'clock, everyone encouraged to go outside and howl and honor those who've worked tirelessly this past year to keep our community healthy and safe. And if you'd like to share your howling pictures or videos, you can head to Q2's Facebook page.